Hello, and welcome back to Bill English Podcast to learn English with stories. I am so happy you are here today. Every day, we listen to a real person. They share a real story from their life, and we learn English together in a natural way. Today's story is about something many people know. It is about love and about loss and about starting again. Today's guest is Sarah. She is 45 years old. She was married for 18 years, and then her marriage ended. Sarah will tell us what happened. She will tell us how she felt, and she will tell us what she learned. In today's story, you will hear words like divorce, loneliness, rebuild, and forgive. Listen carefully. Take your time. Sarah, welcome to the show.
Thank you. It is not easy to talk about this. I think it is important. My name is Sarah. I am 45 years old. I live in a small house now, just me and my 2 children. I grew up in a small town. My family was simple. My mother and father were always together. They never separated. I thought that was normal. I thought all families stayed together. I believed in marriage very much. When I was 24, I met a man named David. He was kind at first. He made me laugh. He made me feel safe. We got married 1 year later. I was so happy on that day. I wore a white dress. My mother cried with happiness. We had 2 children, a daughter. Her name is Lily, she is now 15, and a son. His name is Tom, he is 12. For many years, life was good. We had a home, we had a routine, we had each other. I was a devoted wife. I cooked, I cleaned, I took care of the children. I gave everything to my family. Everything. But slowly, things began to change. David started working more. He came home late. He was distant. I asked him, "Are you okay?" He said, "I am tired, that is all." I believed him. I always believed him. But the silence grew bigger. We stopped talking at dinner. We stopped laughing. We stopped being a couple. One evening, I found a message on his phone. It was from a woman I did not know. The message said, "I miss you." My hands were shaking. My heart was beating very fast. I put the phone down. I sat on the kitchen floor. I did not cry at first. I just sat there, very still, very quiet. When David came home, I showed him the message. He did not say anything for a long time. Then he said, "I am sorry, Sarah." Those 3 words, "I am sorry," they destroyed something inside me. He did not say, "It is nothing." He did not say, "You are wrong." He said, "Sorry." And I knew everything. That night, I could not sleep. I lay in the dark, and I thought, my life is changing, and I cannot stop it. The next months were very hard. We tried to fix things. We talked. We argued. We cried. But something was broken. You cannot unbreak trust. Once it is gone, it's very hard to bring back. David said he would stop. He said he was committed to us. I tried to believe him. I tried so hard. But every time he came home late, I felt afraid. Every time his phone buzzed, I felt sick. I was living in fear every day. And the children, they felt it too. Lily became quiet. Tom started having problems at school. I could see the pain in their eyes. One night, Lily came to my room. She was crying. She said, "Mama, please stop fighting." I held her. I said, "Everything will be okay." But I did not know if that was true. After 2 years of trying, David and I decided to separate. It was the hardest decision of my life. I signed the divorce papers on a Tuesday morning. I remember that day very clearly. The sky was gray, the office was cold, my hand was shaking when I signed. When I walked out of that office, I was alone, completely alone, for the first time in 18 years. I sat in my car, and I cried. I cried for a very long time. After the divorce, I fell into a dark place. I did not want to eat. I did not want to go outside. I just wanted to stay in bed. But I had 2 children. They needed me. Every morning I had to get up for them. One day, my neighbor, an older woman named Mrs. Helen, knocked on my door. She brought me soup. She sat with me at my kitchen table. She did not say much. But then she said something I will never forget. She said, "Sarah, the pain is real, but you are still here. You are still here." Those words hit me very deeply. I was still alive. My children were still with me. My life was still there. Something small shifted inside me that day. Not big, very small, but it was the beginning. I started going for walks in the morning, just 10 minutes, then 20, then 1 hour. I found a small job at a local school. I helped children with reading. Being around children, it helped me. Their energy, their smiles. I started to feel like a person again, not just a woman who was divorced, but a person with a purpose. That was 3 years ago. Today, my life is very different, and also much better. I will not say it was easy. It was not. Some nights are still hard. Some days I still feel sad. But I am no longer broken. I am healing. Every day, a little more. My children are doing well now. Lily is in high school. She is strong and smart. Tom laughs again, and that means everything to me. I still work at the school. I am now a teaching assistant. I love my work. It gives me purpose every morning. My small house, I made it my home. I painted the walls yellow. I planted flowers in the garden. It is small, but it is mine. David and I, we are not enemies. We are not friends either, but we talk for the children. That is enough. I learned that forgiveness is not for the other person. It is for yourself. When I stopped carrying anger, I felt lighter. If I could talk to the woman I was 10 years ago, I would say this: do not be afraid of pain. Pain is not the end. Pain is a beginning. I thought divorce would destroy me. It did not. It changed me, and change can be good. I learned I am stronger than I thought. I learned that I do not need someone else to feel complete. I am complete on my own. I learned that children are resilient. They are stronger than we think. They need love and stability, not a perfect family. And I learned this: you cannot control what happens to you, but you can control how you respond. Today, I am proud of myself. For the first time in many years, I am proud. If you are going through something hard right now, please know this: you will get through it, one day at a time, one small step at a time. That is my story. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Sarah. That was a truly courageous story. Sarah showed us that life can break our heart, but it does not have to break us. She found strength in the most difficult time of her life. Now, let us look at some important English words from today. The first word is divorce, when a marriage legally ends. The second word is resilient, able to recover from difficulty. The third word is forgiveness, choosing to let go of anger. Now, let us practice speaking. Please repeat these sentences after me. Pain is not the end. Pain is a beginning. I am stronger than I thought. You will get through it, one day at a time. Very good. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell notifications so you never miss a story, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what gave you strength in a difficult time? We read every comment. Thank you for learning English with us today. See you in the next story. Take care.